Hey there, this is Mark from Mobile Diesel. I am going to do another video on calibration mode for the old 7Y-5500 dash gauge pack that comes preloaded with software. So, got to hook into the pilot signal in order to calibrate the unit, which I'm about to show you. High pressure upper pump, high pressure lower pump, pilot signal. This is the pilot pump down here, as discussed in a previous video. Got to climb into the equipment. All right. Now I've got the gauge pack set here so I could show you what's going on. As mentioned in the previous video, you can screw things up with calibration mode if you don't know what you're doing. I barely know what I'm doing. It's a little convoluted. So this is a way to access fault codes and calibrate hydraulics, electronics, all that stuff without the need of a laptop, because these are all mid-90s type thing, and so everything came preloaded with their simpleton version of a laptop. There's a button here, and it's not for data mode. Data mode was locking these two buttons here, right? Alarm, cancel, and power. That gave you data, but the hidden button here, calibration mode. So I'm going to put the phone down again, hold the button down, and I'm going to turn the key on, and it's going to go. So first off, this is the normal gauge here. See, this 10 represents throttle position, right? Okay. When this was first purchased and my customer purchased this, it had the word CAL. This thing had to be sequenced to the hydraulics of the equipment. And in order to do that, there was a need to access calibration mode in order to do it. So folks that buy a new one because the old one is broken, it has to be calibrated to get out of the CAL. And in order to do that, we had to go through a sequencing, which I'm going to show you now. So, all right, so I'm going to turn back off. It is off. Thumb down on the button. Key on. Thumb on the button. Go for throttle position to calibration mode. All right, so there's 10 bits of information it gives you, and each bit of information is accessed through these lights over here. First bit is position 3, second bit of information is position 2, third bit of information is position 3 on the power button, fourth bit of information is position 1 on the light, fifth bit of information is position 2 on the light, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, I can't remember where 10 is, but we're going to look in the book right now. So if you push these, so that's the software version, and this is to test the different circuits, like circuit 1. Oh no, this is fault codes, I'm sorry. And then this is all the different electrical circuits that are in the ECM, and you could turn them all off and on manually. So position 0 is the actual buzzer. So if I click it on, this turns it off and on, these buttons here, AEC and washer. If I turn it on, the buzzer should go on. Oops, no, sorry. This cycles through the different positions on the ECM. Okay, so we're going to go back down to position 0. I think alarm cancel, is that the one that turns it on? So it's in the off position. I'm going to press alarm cancel. Now it's on. Press again. Off. On. Off. On. Off. And like I said, there's a few empty spots through, but it's a total of 10 positions. So 0 plus 9 is 10, and then some letters. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 17 total test positions. One of them being the tracks, which I am struggling with. So that's what I got to fix. All right, and then next one is the sweep. Now what this does is it measures the sweep of the hydraulic proportioning valve, which is electric with the actual pressure. Okay, so I'm going to have to turn this bad boy on to do this one. So first we're going to turn on the pressure gauge, which is sideways. I can't really hold it upright at the same time, so you're just going to take my word for it. So there, except now that's crooked, right? Okay, so we got sweep. Okay, so sweep is test number 5, position 2. I'm going to turn it on. As the voltage goes up and down, you notice the pressure is going up and down, right? They're in sequence with each other. So the proportioning valve actually works. And in order to do this test, you have to have the hydraulic not on manual but automatic. The pump control valve here. Okay? Okay. Let's turn this bad boy off. Oh. Anyways, so that's the calibration mode. There's quite a few nifty bits of information. So the total tests, these are all of them here. Machine and engine model numbers, controller, monitor, software version. Error log is important. That's number 3. Error log is number 3 on light number 3, which is position number 1. Don't ask me why they do it that way, but that's how they do it. Digital output test, proportional reducing valve sweep test, engine speed change, fixed power shift pressure setting, engine speed dial setting check, automatic governor, actuator calibration, sorry about that, and proportional reducing valve calibration. Now I've gone through all of these and calibrated everything on this equipment. It doesn't take that long once you know what you're doing. I had to buy a book on eBay though. I couldn't even through the cat dealer get proper verbiage because it was all digitized and was all superimposed over each other. So it was hellish to read via the computer screen. All right, I hope this is helpful. I guess if you want to ask me questions on the comments, I understand how frustrating it can be to try to get this darn thing sequenced with the equipment. So just ask me. Like I said earlier, there's only probably 5 people on the entire planet this video is going to help, but it was challenging for me to grasp this thing and there was no quality video, so I decided to make it. So yeah. All right, thanks. Take care. Bye.